name is David Winfield. I'm here at Lakeside Toyota, and today we're going to be talking about your vehicle's maintenance. No one knows your vehicle better than the people that work on them every day. At Lakeside Toyota Service Centers, you get the peace of mind knowing that your vehicle is being worked on with the most experienced hands possible. In most cases, we recommend that Toyota owners schedule a service appointment every 6 months or 5,000 miles, whichever comes first. The maintenance performed during each service appointment varies by vehicle, model, and year. Driving conditions and other factors are trained technicians evaluate. Scheduling your service interval appointments and keeping Toyota intervals to a minimum help maintain the longevity of your vehicle and can also help prevent maintenance issues down the road. Our service center uses genuine Toyota parts to ensure the quality and dependability you trust. Additionally, Lakeside Toyota Service Center keeps a record of all your visits so you don't have to. Visit lakesidetoyota.com to learn more about your factory recommended maintenance on your vehicle. If you have any questions or you want to schedule your next service appointment, call us at 504-833-3311.